Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. It's been a month, I think, since I last posted a video. And I'm super sorry for the delay sa pag-post ng swatches for the Romance, My Melody, and Kuromi nail polish collection. So here's a closer look at the boxes. And you can see My Melody and Kuromi on each box. You'll also see the holographic stickers of Sanrio Korea and Romance on the side of the box. Sa baba naman, you can see the expiration dates of the product. And here are the shade names. And when I received my orders, I received this Kuromi sticker set and this Romance Kuromi Dewy Full Figure Topper. And here are the bottles. So now, let's swatch each of them. Let's first swatch Pink Shushu. According to Romance, Pink Shushu is a soft coral pink inspired by My Melody scarf. Next we have is Jelly Coke. According to Romance, Jelly Coke is a pure shimmer topper with a hint of gold, inspired by My Melody's yellow nose. Third we have is Devils. According to Romance, Devils is a kitsch black shimmer topper inspired by Kuromi's tail. Fourth we have is Purple Pocket. According to Romance, Purple Pocket is a smoky mute purple inspired by Kuromi's skull. And there you guys have it. Let me know which shade is your favorite on the comment section below. And I guess that's it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!